In this video, we'll show you how to assemble your new Agri-Fab zero-turn sprayer. To begin, insert a slider tube, part 7, into the hitch mount assembly, part 8, and loosely secure it with a 3/8 by 2.5 inch hex bolt, part C, 2 medium washers, part L, and a 3/8 inch nylock nut, part H. Do not tighten it yet. Then repeat for the other side. Do not tighten it yet. Now loosely secure each side of the hitch mount assembly to the tractor with one U-bolt, part 6. Note that some installations may require angling the U-bolts. One mounting bracket, part 5. 2 3/8 inch lock washers, part J. And 2 3/8 inch hex nuts, part E. Do not tighten them yet. Do not tighten them yet. Ensure the slider tubes are extended past both U-bolts. Center the assembly on the tractor frame. Now secure all the fasteners. Next, align the frame tube, part 10, and the receiver hitch frame, part 9, and loosely secure them with a 1/4 inch by 3¼ inch hex bolt, part D, and a 1/4 inch nylock nut, part F. Do not tighten it yet. Then align the rear frame tube, part 11, and loosely secure it with 2/4 by 3¼ inch hex bolts, part D, and 2/4 inch nylock nuts, part F. Do not tighten it yet. Now align the assembly with the 15-gallon tank assembly, part 3. Secure it with 4 spacers, part M, and 4 5/16 by 1 3/4 inch hex bolts, part B. Make sure not to over-tighten them. Now fully secure the frame tube and the rear frame tube. Next, align the tank assembly and secure it with the clevis pin, part N, and hair cotter pin, part O. Now, thread a 3/8 inch whiz-lock hex nut, part I, onto both ends of the boom support rods, part 4. Then align them with the boom assembly, part 1, and loosely secure it with 2 3/8 inch whiz-lock hex nuts, part I. Now align the boom support bracket, part 2, and loosely secure it with 2 3/8 inch whiz-lock hex nuts, part I. Now fully secure the boom support rods. Next, align the assembly and fully secure it to your tractor's hitch with a 1/2 inch by 1 1/4 inch hex bolt, part A, 2 small washers, part K, and the 1/2 inch hex nut, part G. Note that some installations may require hitch kit 45-0596. Then attach the tank hose to the 3/8 inch T-barb on the boom assembly. Now attach the red ring terminal from the battery wire harness, part 13, to the positive connection on your battery. Then connect the black ring terminal. Route the wire harness towards the sprayer and secure it with the plastic harness clips, part P, ensuring the wires are clear of exhaust pipes, fans, and pinch points. Now connect the battery wire harness, part 13, to the switch wire harness, part 12. Now connect the switch wire harness, part 12, to the pump harness.